Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This channel, if you're new here, is all about searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis. I do try to seek out different job leads that are different from what other channels are sharing and bringing them to you. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or put that application in. And if you enjoy any of these job leads, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button, so letting me know that you do enjoy it. Today's job lead, though, is from the company Shippo. Shippo provides shipping services. They do have 85 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a claims specialist. Now, Shippo is the shipping layer of the internet. They consider themselves to be one of the core building blocks of e-commerce. They are looking for a claims specialist to join their team, full-time remote for the United States only. This is going to require phone work and customer service work, just putting that out there up front, but they're looking for somebody to basically enter shipping claims into their system and process them. You're going to be serving as the subject matter expert on all things related to claims and dedicated resource providing that support to their users. You'll do accurate and timely data entry into a variety of portals, spreadsheets, and databases, maintaining the communication between all stakeholders for updates and issues. You're going to answer customer inquiries through email and phone with empathy and accuracy. They might have questions surrounding shipping policies, submission requirements of their claims, submission deadlines, processing timelines, all of that. You're going to help with all of that. You'll help troubleshoot any processing errors of those claims, and you'll use the SOPs for internal claims processing. So you're going to be taking phone calls, helping customers, and then entering those shipping claims into the system, and then on top of that, processing them, making sure they get processed. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, just 1 year of experience working in some kind of customer service role. They do want somebody who is at 1 year of experience providing either phone or email support in a fast-paced environment, somebody who has a data entry experience, and somebody who has a remote working experience. You've worked from home before, you know how to handle that. They also want somebody who can type 65 words a minute and have great attention to detail. Now, as far as a schedule goes, they're looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. And they are paying anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $26 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.